another vlog. So, late na tayo makapag-post kasi dahil madami akong ginagawa. Dahil graduation na namin. I'm eating, ano ba ito? Ang tawag ito? Matigas na, cream stick. Yeah. Hulaan nyo na kung ano yung gagawin natin guys for a daily video. Bilang ako ng isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, and lima. And the time out is already done. So, guess what is we are gonna do for today at night? We are English yun guys. We're checking by award collection. Yeah. So, let's do already again. Goodbye. Yeah. Now, 1, 2, 3, translation. So, this one. I get it? Oh, first collection agad guys, nakikita ko agad. I think we are only saying English or Tagalog. I think I only say English. First collection is this when I'm grade 6 or grade 5? Yeah, grade 6. So now, what's that? This is our when they give it to me. Certificate of recognition. Certificate of recognition. Ano ba basta? So, let me read in you, or you can read. So, award to Neil Keanu A. Ramos, as in hindi. So, basahin natin yung nakalagay dito. For being a class achievers for the first grading period in a grade 6. Ano? BI. Grade 6. Ano? Grade 6. Kasi baliktad lang siya kasi guys, kaya parang grade 4. Pero grade 6 yan. Grade 6 sama. For the school year 2025 to 2026. Given this 11th day of September 25 at Pinyan Elementary School, Mabilis Street, Cor, Pasigasig, Pinyan, Quezon City. So, this is my first achievers, but this is not a first. We had so many achievers. Diba? Let's do the next page. Oh! Nothing happened. What? This is my second achievers, guys. Second. This is my very first. This is our Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 3. And this is when I'm grade 3 and Marangal Elementary School. So when I'm grade 3, when I'm grade 3, my school is not in here in Pinyahan. It's in Bulacan. Like this. Whoa, very pretty Bulacan. But I want to go back there because I have so many memories that I can feel it when I never go. Oh, ano ba yun? Kahit saan ako pumunta yun. I can feel it on my heart and brain. Let's see. Certificate of completion. This is my complete attendance for the first time. Pero this is my first time. Ganito lang isa. So, is here be award to Neil Keanu A. Ramos again. So, basahin na natin guys. For having successfully complete the 15 days at the School of the Kid Class 2022 at Parangal Elementary School from July 25 to 22 to August 12 to 2022. given this 12th day of the August 2022 during high school culminating activities of learning in a enrichment classes as a first school memorandum. No. 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 For 3S 2022 at Marangal Elementary School, school covered code. Miriam A. Zamora, principal. Four. Principal 4 siya, guys. Siya yung pang-apat na principal, I think. Kasi nakalagay 4, oh. Parang 5 siya, or 6. Pero 4 yan. Sabligtad nga. So, tara! Dumako na tayo sa isang achievers natin. So, this is my third awarding. Kasi natin. Certificate of recognition again. Because this, in when I'm grade 6, this recognition is I'm top 10. Yeah. And now when I'm grade 4, I'm I'm grade 4. And my top scholar is top 2. So that I appreciate, but my whole class is okay because I'm only got top 2. I don't care because I have top and let's sign. Tagalogin natin kasi Tagalog. Kasi Filipino ang nagbigay nito. Filipino teachers. So, basahin na nga natin ulit. For beginning of class, achiever for the first grading period in a grade 4. Grade 4, grade 4, grade 4, alamansi. Joke lang. So, my section when I'm grade 4 is, laan nyo, Antonio Luna. So, that's why, for the school year 2025 to 2020, ay Antonio Luna tuloy. When that's I'm grade 5 because I don't have achiever on grade 5. Basta! So, for this school year, 2025 tuloy. Guys, lagi na lang ako sa 2025. Siguro, lagi na tayo sa 2025. Wala. 2024 to 2025. Given is 11th day of the 7th September 2025 at Pinyan Elementary School. Grade 4 ako sa Pinyan ako nag-aaral. Pero nung grade 3 transfer yata ako. Grade 4 pa lang. Babili Street, Carmasikasi, Pinyan, Quezon City. No. This is my second. This is my smile, look. Like, I'm a bitch. If you are bashing me like I'm a gay, I don't care. That's for all today, guys. I hope you like it. You like it? So, ding 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 ding